Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we're going to be doing some things to the E30 to make it look a little better. It's beginning to look a little bit sorry for itself. So we've got some new body panels, but unfortunately they are not the same colour as the car. So we are also going to be giving the car a respray. This is like a home DIY respray. So anyway, let me show you some of the little bits on my car which aren't looking so great. Okay, so we're going to start off with this front wing here. There's a few little bolts around the top, and we're probably just going to have to disconnect this indicator here because that is still wired up for some reason. So anyway, let's do that. Right, so we're going to start by doing these few bolts down here. Alright, so first I'm just going to take this little strip off here, and then I can finally reach these. Okay guys, so we have just done all the bolts, so if I'm correct, there we go. And that is the fender off. So now, if you just see next to me here, we have the fresh new fender. I'm ready to put this on. Here we go, just to see how it looks, and then we'll bolt everything together in a second. I think, just have to push that around to get the right fitment. But there we go guys, new fender fits, looks great. Can't wait to get it bolted in, the whole car repainted, it's going to look amazing. Alright guys, a little bit of a time jump. We have got the new fender on. We've just been moving stuff around just so then we can get the car in the garage, because the fenders are new and they have not been painted or had any coating on yet. So that means that they'll rust if it starts to like rain down, which it kind of is. So anyway guys, let's just get that in the garage. Alright, so we've just finished shifting around the cars, and this car actually fits quite nice in this garage. Got quite a lot of space to work around. So anyway, let's just get the other side of that fender on. Alright. So we just got this fender off, and it's time to get these doors off. Okay, so now it does look like half my car is missing. And it's going to look even more like half my car's missing because we're going to take this door off. So let's do that. Okay, so tonight's progress was back door, front wing, and then obviously the front wing on the other side. So that is all good. So hopefully next time we are going to get this on, and a few other little bits we got for the car. So it is now day 2. We've been to SRS Refinishing Services, and they have given us all the stuff we need. We've got all the stuff we need here to start doing the car. We've got to like sort of sand all things down. You see we've started a little bit here. Got to make it so it's all smooth, and we've got all the hardener and all the stuff we need. So anyway, let's just start taking little bits off the car just so it's a bit easier to paint. We don't have to mask over all this stuff. So let's do that. Quick update on the car. So we've just taken this sticker off here. There's like a massive BMW sticker, the BMW stripes, and we've also tried to bend this bonnet to try and fit this, because obviously this had all bent in when I had a bit of a collision, and we got a new fender so it didn't really fit on, and we've kind of made a mess of that. So we're going to try and fix that, but also we're using this just to smoothen out all the paint. And also I have just gone and made my food for a bit, and my dad has done some filler bits for me, so thanks to him for that. So yeah, anyway, let's carry on doing this. So basically what I have to do now is get the sponge, dip it in water, and rub it on here, and you see how this is kind of like a matte sort of paint as opposed to like this sort of shiny stuff here. I've got to do that all over the car. This is not yet done, this is just a little bit just to see what would happen. So I've got to rub this over the whole car, so I'm just going to start on the roof now, and then hopefully like we're going to do the filler bits. Also, a quick update on this bit here. Figured out that maybe we can angle grind that down, maybe, but put some filler in that anyway. But anyway, so I'm just going to start doing the rubbing thing on the roof. So as you can see, this is a bit that has been done. It's nice and matte sort of colour. This is the bit that's just been done, so it's covered in water because I dipped the thing in the water. And this is before it's been done. So there you go. Before, after. Go do the whole car like this. I'm avoiding the bits of filler just while they dry out and we sort of sand them down. And my car's looking a bit like it's fallen apart, to be honest, but we know that we're just repainting it and it's going to look cool. But anyway, I'm just going to carry on doing this sort of thing. So let's go. That dust, it really gets everywhere. It's all over the cameras. It's all over the 15. It goes everywhere. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I've had sort of, since we got the car, it's been like all jiggly around here. So we're just going over with a second layer of filler, and we don't know what it looked like, but we're just going to give it a go. So it should look pretty good. Okay, so now we're just going to put this other fender on. So here we go. And now all we have to do is just screw it in. So this is the new door, and we've got to take this bit of glass out and all this here, and then we're going to get sort of like one of these just to go in this window, but obviously this is for the other side. So anyway, let's do that. Some time has passed now, and we have literally just got this door on in here, and now it's time to get the back door on. Alright, so we have got the door on. It's just that we can't get into it to like fit in properly. It keeps like hitting on that bit there. But we're going to leave it for tonight because it's getting a bit dark. But anyway guys, we'll see you tomorrow. It is now day 3, and basically this morning my dad has kindly gone round with the primer. It genuinely stinks so bad. And you can see like some of the bits where you need to sort of sand down sort of some of the bits, and this bit over here it's like properly done, but you can see on the back the sort of bits that he's gone over, and this bit here is actually beginning to look really good. I mean, it's a little bit flexy, but anything is better than what it was like before. So yeah, I've literally just got to get this pad here again, dip it in the water, and to go around the whole car. I think I'm just going to avoid the primer depending on how quickly it dries, but for now I'm just going to go around it. But anyway guys, let's go and do that. So I've just been sanding down like the whole car, including these 2 new doors here, and as you can see I have the masking tape and the plastic bags out because I've just done these front headlights because they do not want to get paint all over them. I've also done my little toe strap which is flapping about in the wind now. But yeah, I've just got to sort of cover a few things with plastic bags because obviously we don't want the paint to go everywhere. So yeah, I'm just going to put a few more bags on in places that can't get painted. Okay, so everything is now officially taped up, and once this is dried, so it all looks like kind of like this, then we get to paint the car. My dad's friend has come to help. So anyway, yeah, so let's paint the car. Okay, so realistically, we need a new bumper, but we think we're going to try and save it with some fiberglass. I mean, this bit here is completely broken, but yeah, we're just going to try and fix this, but get the fiberglass on, paint over it. So anyway, let's try to do that. Okay, so the car is now loaded up on the back of the trailer because we are going to reveal the car at Coventry Motorfest, so that's going to be amazing. But yeah, we've put 2 new wings on the car, 2 new doors, and we've got a little lip spoiler for the back, and yeah, we've given it a full respray, got out all the dents, so it should look good. But anyway guys, let's go to Coventry Motorfest. So we are unveiling the car now at Coventry Motorfest. So anyway, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It looks amazing.